Good morning everybody, it is 22nd of April and I'm going to show you today another one of my Wisterias just about to come out into flower after the time of pruning, constantly feeding throughout the year, pruning it back in the summer, in the midsummer, and then hard again in the winter, draping long flowering spikes there, flowering stems. So just one branch that goes all the way along. So I've been trading this for quite a number of years now. You can see this one stem will keep everything cut right back. So in the summer months, keep the long tendrils cut back. Don't let the energy run too far because then it won't flower. So I've been working on this for a number of years now. I think it stopped about here. I'm going to make it run all the way on that wire over the next couple of years. There's a clematis there, that's just about to come out. I'll take you back all the way along. So it's just that one stem. Just training all the energy into that one stem. Don't get too many. It will clog up and it won't flower because all the energy will be running away. You want to keep the energy back in the stem. And you'll get a show like this, and I'm constantly feeding it as well. So they do take a lot of attention. But once you can get the ingredients right of pruning, feeding, training, then you can get a display looking like this. And I said it's the 22nd of April. So it's been quite a warm. I just hope we're not going to get a cold snap here in the UK, in the Cotswold. That's where we are. But it does take a bit of time to sort of pruning it, and training it, and feeding it, and watering it, and then hopefully the weather's right, we can do a second flush once this is over. So yeah, it's not completely out yet. So the next couple of days it's going to warm up quite a bit more this week. So I think we're going to hit about 20 degrees in the UK. So this is me in the Cotswold in Gloucestershire. Showing you, I'm going to show you more Wisterias that I've got flowering around my clients. So look at my Wisteria playlist, I think they call it. And you can see more that I'm going to show over the next couple of weeks of my flowering Wisterias I've been working on with different customers of mine. Yeah, there you go. So that's my trained flowering Wisteria. So subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you quite a few things I'm going to do this year throughout the year. Like and subscribe please, that'd be great. I'd like a few more followers and subscribers. So I'm a gardener in the Cotswold in the UK. If you'd like to support my channel, you can look at the Buy Me a Coffee, or also got a podcast out called the Ideal Gardens Podcast, which we're going to be releasing one in the next month. So I've only just started, so I'm just getting to grips with it all. But I've got to start somewhere, and I want to start showing basic techniques in the garden. If there's anything you want to see, please you can drop me a comment if you like. Which would be good. I want to hear from you guys and see what you would like to see me show and display and techniques. Okay, so please like and subscribe. ring that bell, and then you buy me a coffee, which would be help me to make more of these videos that I'm going to show around the garden on different bits. Like I said, if there's anything you want me to show you, please comment, or if anything you want to know about wisteria growing and flowering, also drop me a comment, which would be great. Okay, see you again soon. Bye for now.